Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the rising costs of tech and how AI is to blame. The most visible impact of the AI industry right now is that consumer electronics are getting more expensive, with price hikes happening left and right. While smartphones have been mostly spared so far, that no longer feels sustainable, and you can blame AI for it. We've seen price hikes from Microsoft, with yet another Xbox price hike, and Apple, which announced sweeping price hikes across basically everything in its lineup except for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. Give it time. These aren't small price hikes either, with Apple tacking hundreds of dollars on top of existing prices for many products, including its MacBook lineup. In terms of design and build, these price hikes aren't really changing anything. The devices are still the same, but now they cost more. The specs and performance of these devices also remain the same, but the increased price is supposed to reflect the increased cost of production, which is partly due to the use of AI in the manufacturing process. As for new features, there aren't really any. The devices are just getting more expensive, which is a pretty big deal. There have been rumors and leaks of even more price hikes to come, with some speculating that the iPhone will be next. The expected release date and price of these new, more expensive devices is now, and the prices are already available on Apple's website. In my verdict, these price hikes are a significant tipping point, as Apple was one of the biggest holdouts as far as price hikes were concerned. Motorola, Samsung, Lenovo, Sony, and countless other big tech brands announced their first waves of price hikes months ago, but Apple was holding out. Now that Apple has joined the price hike bandwagon, it's likely that other brands will follow suit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and rumors.